Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Let me straighten that out. How are you? Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you. Okay, I have something that I want to be able to do for you today. I thought I had gotten a new box. Look at this. I had gotten a new box and I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to open this up live and I want to kind of go through because I want my peeps, my community of crafters that maybe have no idea what is in this amazing maker box, what it can do. So I want to show you. All right, so I've got it here. It is not, the seal has not been broken. Look at this. This thing is heavy. It's gorgeous. And this is the deluxe edition. So, you know, we've talked about if you love crafting, if you love making things, but one of the things that can be so arduous is the fact that we have to go and search and hunt. And we've talked about this before. I can literally go to a craft store and spend $100 and get home and have nothing that I can make from it. And so we have simplified the whole process. This gorgeous maker box has all these projects in it. The deluxe one actually has, I think, 7 projects in it. So if you think about being able to get this gorgeous maker box for $99 and all the things it has in it, it's pretty amazing. So I want to open this up and I want to go through with you. So I'm going to pull this down just a little bit because I want you to be able to see what it is that we're doing. Bear with me. As you pop on here, say hey. Tell me where you're tuning in from. And it sure makes it a lot more fun. All right, tell me where you're tuning in from, guys. Share this video and tag some friends. And guess what? Your name is going to go in for a drawing because I'm going to be giving one of these away. How fun is that? Your name will go in for a drawing. All you have to do is share the video, tag some friends, and your name is going to go in for a drawing for one of these. And we're going to be giving it away on Wednesday morning. So it's that fun and that easy. So, all right, so I'm going to go on. I'm gonna cut this. I've gotten it, it's fresh, it's beautiful. And those of us that love crafting, you know what? I've noticed one of the commonalities that we share has been one of my taglines, crafting a beautiful life. We love beautiful things. OMG, look at this, look at this. Talk about presentation. Is that not the cutest? So presentation's everything. Love this. They've done a fantastic, fantastic job. So, hey, Victoria. Hey, Jamie, excuse me. Victoria, Jamie. Hey, guys, as you pop on here, say hey. Tell me where you're tuning in from. And we're going to be giving away one of these boxes. All you have to do is share the video. Hey, Charlotte, share the video. Tag 3 friends. Look at this. Oh, my gosh, how gorgeous. I'm just going to tell you. Where else could you go to if you have somebody that has a birthday coming up or an anniversary or anything that's special and you want to be able to honor them? Oh my gosh, guys, send them this box. It's easy peasy. It's done. So beautiful presentation. Open this up. This is how they're going to receive it. So what a fantastic gift. But oh wait, you can also give a gift to yourself. Hey, Rhonda. All right, so inside this first thing in the box, as I'm unboxing this incredible box, there's something that's very special in here that I want you to be able to see. And this, to me, is one of the strengths of this maker box. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have got to tell you about this. Hey, Kim, thanks so much for sharing. Look at this. Look at all these recipe cards that come in this maker box. Now, I'm just going to tell you, see this top one? In the deluxe maker box, you get the mold, the candle mold, the beeswax, the wick, everything that you need to be able to make this. And we're going to teach you in this maker box how to be able to make colored tapered candles. Guys, if you don't know, tapered candles are all the rage. And hey, Susan, and I have a shop that I go to here. And Alice, I want to tell you, it's so funny when I'm talking to you. I want to tell you this. This came from an inspiration of this incredible shop that I love going shopping in. Those of you that follow me on Amy Howard at Home, and I was doing a console in a kind of a limed finish with a glaze. And that darling console was like $11,000. Well, I did a hack and I copied it and I was able to do it for less than $1,000. But this is a gorgeous candle that I saw in the shop. The candles sell for $85. One candle sells for $85. This whole corrugated look is so in right now. And here with this deluxe maker box kit, you're gonna be able to do it yourself. Look at that. Look at that. Is that so chic? The cool thing about this candle, it will stand on its own. So you don't have to put it into a container. You don't have to do anything. So you can make 8 of them and you can put them all around your table. These are great for outdoors. It's going to be great for fall. But this makes this box a deal. And the cool thing is, part of what we're here is for everything about a maker studio. It's about crafting a beautiful life. The level of the crafts and everything that we're doing are so beautiful. I love finding inspiration for things like this for you to be able to do. So, all right, so I'm gonna turn this back around. I wanted to tell you that. So as you pop on here, guys, please say hey. Tell me where you're tuning in from, and if you share this video, tag 3 friends. We're gonna be giving away this maker box. But look, I wanted you to see the presentation. It's part of the reason why I wanted to open it, because this is a fantastic gift for a friend. Hey, Julie. So not only you've got everything to make this beautiful tapered corrugated finish black candle, which I adore. The kit is worth that. Then we've also got oysters inside it for you to do decoupage. Everything from the artist brush. And remember the recipe cards. You don't have to worry about trying to figure it out. It's all here. Everything is in the kit for you to be able to create these gorgeous projects. And so if you've not done oyster shells and decoupage, guys, they are such a fun craft. And you get more than one in here, so that way you can make a lot of them. I love this. It has the recipe on the back. Hey, Brenda. Hey, Tracy. Hey, girl. She's in my Bible study. So then a third project, look at this. Hey, Charlotte. These are, guys, I'm just going to tell you. I know a lot of you are like, well, Amy, I don't know, about making jewelry. Guys, you talk about a really healthy, fun addiction. Making resin jewelry is absolutely fabulous. And see, not only the chains, not only the frames, you get them in this box. So another thing that we have, I'm getting ready to show you as I do this unboxing, as far as being able to do these gorgeous, look at that, the wax. I have always been a fan of doing embossed wax, which are great on tags, they're great on stationery, they're great on sealing up your thank you notes, your graduation cards, your happy birthday cards. It just adds an extra element. And guess what? That whole kit is included in this deluxe maker box. Look at this. These are adorable earrings. Look at this. All of this comes in the kit. Your frames, the resin, the flowers, all of the findings, they're absolutely fabulous. Now, and this is one of my favorites. I've told y'all about this. John Darien out of New York. You need to look him up. Really and truly, I'm serious. After I get off of here, I want you to Google John Darien, and it's D-E-R-I-A-N. He's out of New York. He has a fabulous shop. And he has these incredible paperweights with these gorgeous decoupage and things on the back. Guys, the paperweights sell for like $80. You're able to make them with your box. And you've got enough materials in it that you can make a lot of them. You can make one for you, and you can make some to be able to give away as gifts. And I've broken it down step by step for you on the back of the card. Definitely, last but definitely not least, these are the most adorable pieces of jewelry. Very summertime. Blue is the in color for everything. It's so funny. I wear white and blue all the time. Hey, Kathy. All right, so I wanted to go through the unboxing process because I wanted you to be able to see it. One, for the presentation aspect of it, that if you send this to a friend, it's going to be so well appointed. It's so well put together. Look at this. Look, is this like look at this. Is this the cutest thing? Presentation is everything. So look at this. In this little bag, you get all of your findings, your molds, and to be able to break out to do all of your jewelry. Is that not the cutest in that little bag? All right, so here's our mold for our paperweight. And it even has the felt that goes on the bottom of the paperweight. Guys, if you were doing this separately, you're going to be hunting and pecking all over trying to find everything, and then when you get it home, you don't have everything together with it. So we have made it easy peasy. You have all of this together. Look at this. Now, this is one of the things that I was telling you about earlier. This is a black pigment powder that comes in the kit that allows you to be able to make this amazing candle that I showed you. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff here. You get your brushes to be able to paint, to be able to do your decoupage. Here is your beeswax that you'll be able to make your corrugated black. So we're going to walk you through being able to use the black pigment powder and melting down your beeswax, putting that together and putting that in your corrugated mold. You're going to be able to make the most amazing tapered candles. Now, we've included your silicone cups for you to be able to make your resin. There's 2 of them here. Look at this. Even, guys, just the retail value of being able to do your resin kit has an incredible amount of value. This is such a deal on this box. And I think easeability is one thing. Having it all here together, having my recipe cards and my how-to, it makes it that much more fun. All right, so let's keep unboxing. Look, you even get a full container of gilding size. Once we show you how to do the gilding, you're going to be totally addicted. The fun thing is you also get an artist brush. That's going to allow you to do your gold banding on your oysters. Look at this. Now, we had, those of you that if you're just now popping on, please say hey. Tell me where you're tuning in from. And I am showing you the deluxe maker box kit. This is the deluxe one because it comes with this candle mold. Now let me show you. Look at this. This corrugated or fluted candle is all the rage. And I just shared when you just popped on here in the fact that this is basically a simulation. We're showing you how to make a candle that I saw at an adorable shop in Alice Beach. They sell these black corrugated candles for $85 a piece. You're going to be able to make many of these yourself. This mold, you can make hundreds of these candles. And when you've included the beeswax and the black pigment for you to be able to make lots of them for your table. So, all right, now look at this. I showed you this before, but I wanted you to be able to see. Isn't the presentation incredible? Let's undo this. Inside the kit, you have a full wax stamp kit. These are so fun to be able to seal your thank you notes. You can, if you have a store-bought birthday card, you can seal it with this. It just adds that special, I think it adds a special detail that's really quite beautiful. This entire kit comes in the maker box. It's pretty spectacular. All right, so then you also get, look at this. We've also included, hey Laurie, how's it going? We've included your tools, your tweezers, your droppers, your stir sticks, your gold paint pens, everything to be able to work on your jewelry. This all comes in the maker box. We've actually included an entire book of 25 pages of gold leaf. You've got your dried flowers to be able to make your jewelry. We've included several different napkins to be able to do your decoupage on your oyster shells. Guys, this is a fantastic project to be able to do, and it's so, so pretty. Look, we've even included the oyster shells for you to be able to do these, and these are so fun, especially when you have guests come stay with you. Put these little oyster shells beside the sink, and then that way when you take your jewelry off, whether it's in your kitchen or your own bathroom, that way just set, you've got a place. I'm gonna put my rings on it when I wash my hands in my kitchen, and I'm telling you, it really makes it not only cute in your kitchen or your bathroom, but a lot of fun to use. So we've included your oyster shells as well. And then we've included your one-step paint and a container of copycat. So, gee whiz, like it's all here. I'm gonna be able to turn around and do all these projects. I've got the cards, the recipe cards, everything all on the back to know exactly how to do it. And here's what's even more fun. Not only, I really think this is a great gift for the holidays. You know, we're only in June, so these are gonna sell out, and when they're sold out, they're gone. So it's like, you know what, in your mind, go Christmas shopping. A lot of times people are thinking about Christmas in July. Buy a few of these, and you know your crafty friends, it's like, I've got you taken care of, check. Like, it not only is a great deal, it's something that they're gonna get a lot of enjoyment out of. And I really encourage you, if you love crafting yourself, this is the perfect gift to give to yourself. I think we don't do that enough. If this brings you great joy, it is a great value. And for me, it's gonna allow me to learn how to be able to do a skill, but then also turn around, give it as a gift to someone else. Because the great thing is, just like, for instance, with this candle mold in the deluxe kit, it's gonna allow you probably to make about 3 or 4 candles just for yourself. You can turn around and buy more beeswax and continue to make them. Well, if these retail for $85 a piece, you see already what a value this deluxe kit is. So I wanted to just unbox this gorgeous box for you. I wanted you to see it really is a treasure trove. If you have somebody creative in your life that you want to be able to give a gift to, or you want to be able to have all of the things together to be able to do everything from resin jewelry to paperweights to decoupage oyster jewelry to wax to candles to everything. It is one of the best values. And when summer, when it gets really hot outside, you can turn on some beautiful music and go and craft and just close the doors out. And it really is a way of reviving your soul and just being quiet and using your hands. I don't know about y'all, but that's a place that I love to be able to go to. I hope you have a fantastic Monday. We're here in the studio. We're going to be working on furniture. So I'm going to be getting ready to do some Amy Howard at Home Lives, but it was so good to see you all. And I wanted to share this gorgeous maker box. Just go to the link below, and that way buy one for yourself, buy one for a friend, and that's going to make it that much easier knowing your shopping's out of the way. I love you guys. Mwah. Have a great day. Share this video. Tag 3 friends. Your name will go in for a drawing. We'll be giving away a box Wednesday morning.